Hi, everybody.
Gotta wait for the viewers to come in.
Waiting. What does Lucas say when he was with NCT 127? He would say, "My lady, my lady, hello, my lady." They're still waiting for the viewers. Yeah. No, thank you. And there's your Pocari Sweat on top. Hi, guys. Yeah. Okay. We're still in line. Look how long the line is. And there's my Frankie. There's my Yelly girl. And there's my big boy. Dab, baby, dab. And there's his buddy. That's my neighbor. And love thy neighbor. He's my neighbor and my friends lang kami. Pag sinabi ko, bye neighbor, sabi niya, love thy neighbor. My housemate. And yung haba ng pila, may gulay. Anyway, we're here at the Seoul Tower. I've never been here before. And since hindi na kami katagalan masyado sa Seoul, napilitan ako dahil hindi kompleto yung mga bata pag wala ako. Si Miguel at si Daddy, marami na silang nagawa. They went cycling this morning, right? So, si Daddy, nagpipilit mag-workout para maging parang 25 years old yung katawan niya. Para mawala yung tiyan mo. Saka mawala rin yung ano. Anyway, so we're here. We're still waiting. There's the Bendo machine.
Dancing.
And Miel's still dancing. And the other one is still into her music.
Checking Instagram.
Checking Instagram. And this one is so matakaw that his pedia said don't eat too much or it will affect your growth. Eat so much. You know what I've been having every single day is fresh milk. Praise God. I love milk. Who's that?
Last night, me, Cassie, Mavi.
Oh yeah, because there, look, show them.
I'm sure they can
Cassie, Mavi, Legaspi, Andrea, who
and
else?
Kyle.
Who's the other one? I'm sorry, Bad
Kyle.
Eyes. Tita Mina took the picture? Okay. Yung mga anak po nila, yung pamilya po nila, Zoran at Carmina nandito rin. So, Carmina's also like my sister because she made Minsan Minahal Kita became really close. And then I became her ninang sa kasal. So she calls me Ninang Ate Sis. I love Mina so much. We have to have a reunion. Kasi Cassie at Mavi, ka-birthday ko pa. Hi, guys! I miss you so much too. Well, day after tomorrow is the grand press conference, as you will see in my previous post with the Quaresma poster. It will be streamed live on, I think, nakalagay pa, Reality Entertainment sa FB. So, there. We're gonna ride the cable car, pero mga 5 years na lang, nandun na kami. Oh, look, they're so cute! They even have Superman and Supergirl. Wonder Woman, sorry. Charlie Chaplin and Bruce Lee. Oh, dear Lord. I should have taken a picture. See, then we have to go. Oh my God, it's Lee Min Ho. I love you, Lee Min Ho. I'm confused again. My God, I got gulat.
She was like, oh my
No,
God.
I love Gong Yu, but then when I see Lee Min Ho, I get, I'm confused. But show me Kian. She's gonna marry me one day. I just know it. Because he's just my neighbor.
Daw.
Sino po dito ay manonood ng Stray Kids sa Manila? Ako po.
Binali ko na po ng ticket. Your cough, honey. Cover your mouth. And
George and Rocio.
God, Rocio and George have the best bodies. Anyway, those are her classmates. Oh my God, ang pogi ni Lee Min Ho, isa pa. Can you see? Oh my golly. Ito housemate ko. Yan si Lee Min Ho. Boyfriend ko rin yan. Hindi niya alam. Hindi rin niya alam boyfriend ko siya. Nalito na naman ako. Lee Min-ho kasi ako before I saw Gong Yoo. Oh, honey. Again.
Mama's so pretty.
You have to keep saying that because you have my face. Anyway.
Mamaya po sana.
Burberry girls.
Mamaya po sana, sasayaw po ako ng What is Love.
Ayan, kasi they like it when you dance and I post it. Yung complete nasa FB ko. So,
I was supposed to dance the other day, but then...
last night.
Yeah, lahat na po kami.
Medyo bagsak. Kakamyongdong.
Pero masaya naman.
Napakasaya. Tapos nakita pa nga ni Frankie sila Cassie at Mavi. They're so sweet. It's so, I become so touched when the children of my friends, those who are dear to me, like Mina and Zoran. Mina especially, because I'm not that close to Zoran, but I will be. But Mina, I miss you. When they get together because they're friends, yung mga pinaka-close sa mga artista sa inyo is Tita Sunshine Cruz's children kasi classmates nila ng grade school. Sam is one of the best friends of Miel. Every year sa birthday ni Miel, she sleeps over. Thank you, Shine. We love you. And, what else ba? Nung debut ni For You, Frankie, number 2. Okay. Dati may kakatok sa kwarto. What number are you? Liit ng boses. 2! Nung debut niya, marami kaming inimbita. Pero kasabay, merong ganap sa Star Magic noon. So, maraming di nakarating. Tapos may nagtitaping ng Showtime. So, sayang naman. But, well, it became a really nice affair pa rin. Kasi, yan, kunyari, hindi pala nakakapagod, no? Pag may kausap ka sa live habang maakyat ka na. Okay, I'm trying to squeeze my royal thickness and my legs and my abs while I'm going up. There, I'm tucking them in. I want to see what it looks like. It's a huge cable car. I'll show you. Yeah, every day, oh my God, I have to have milk. And I really love fresh whole milk. But Kiko has to get me the 1% or the, what is it here? 3.6%. In Manila, I usually have the 2%. But there's nothing like whole milk. Oh my goodness, I love whole milk. Isang karton, I finish in what? A day? I can't read, honey. I love you too, Jane. Hi. Mrs. Scott, hello. Oh, thank you, Sheila. You always make me happy. And, oh, thank you, Angel Wear. And hello to you, Mangali in Osaka. Hello. Joe Bro. Hi. Lucy. Hello. Neo 4 PS4. Hello. Shirley. Celan. Ay, hindi kami makakapunta sa Twice Land. Sayang, no? I'm working. I'll still be working. I was surprised. No, actually, I'm waiting on choose Twice Land or we fly to NCT. Of course, no question. I love Twice though very much. I also love Blackpink. It's okay. No. Nice also to go where it's cold.
It'll be in June.
I'd give anything to be back in North America. I'm telling you that. Right now. Oh, there, I see it. It's coming down. It's stopping. There. I'll show you. Malayo pa kami. Parang Disneyland, diba? The pilas like that.
Yeah.
Parang ahas.
I hope yung pila pabalik.
Di ganun din. Kung gaano karami yung pumasok, syempre ganun din kadami yung lalabas. Pero hindi na pila, diretso na siguro.
Yeah.
Palabas. Unless dito... Ako, nandito yung bato ko. I will just swallow and shout, Darna. What else? I'm sorry we're not watching twice. I wish we were. Oh. Mieli, careful. Okay. Oo, Gigi. Nandito na kami sa pinakataas. Ayun na yung cable car. Pero ang dami ngang inakyat. So, naka-exercise ako. Every day dito, nag-exercise ako. Yesterday, di ba I showed you our dinner? That was my first meal for the whole day. But the whole day, I was just drinking milk.
Thank you, Mega Tita.
Yes, hi, Lynn. Hi, Lynn. Rhea, miss you too. Darna. Ellie Potpot ko, how are you, sweetheart? I miss you. O saya sa namin nila Hevs nung nandun kami nasan ba kami? Vegas. Tapos may mga anak din ako sa Toronto, sa Generation S, sa Gen S. Oh my God, I love Seoul. Bakit ba in love ako dito? Hindi lang dito, actually, Japan. I'm really... Parang yung dugo ko hapon. Pero alam ko Kano eh. Kano at saka Kastila. Tapos, syempre, Pinoy. Pero yon. Kanina malamig, ngayon mainit. Kaya wala akong scarf. Tinanggal ko. Yung scarf kong parang beaver. may beaver scarf. Are you okay, guys? Are you excited for the press launch? Day after tomorrow. I'll be so happy. I have a very full schedule, so makikita tayo sa maraming shows, mga GGV. Saan?
Thank you.
You can see clearly, no? I don't know if I should have my eyes, LASIK. Si Kiko nagpa-LASIK, parang, no? It's always malabo. I only need reading glasses. I'm very farsighted, so I see. Okay, now wave. Okay. Baby, smile lang like my baby. You're shy na naman. My big boy, see? So tall, oh. And Yeli, stand behind me.
I'm wearing a hat kasi.
No, but you're really taller than me na. She's really taller than I am already. You look around, after Lee Min-ho, baka it's Gongyu, I'll jump. Wala.
There's none here. It's like...
Last night I saw in the underground mall pictures of Gongyu. Hindi na ako bumili. Naiya ako kay Keanu. My goodness. Oh, this is so cute. It's well good. May sumasakay na doon. Supposed to be big. Ilang beses na ako nakakapunta dito. But usually I don't go to the tourist spots when I go to a place. You can ask my whole team kahit concert tour. But except for the Milan, the Duomo in Milan. Kasi may katabi siyang shopping. There it is. There. Can you see that? Naku. Parang goblin. Panalala kong goblin. When Untak was,
and is anybody here po watching He is Psychometric?
May nanonood ba sa inyo ng K-drama na He is Psychometric? Kasi yun ang isang paboritong banda ngayon ni Miel. What's GOT7? Stray Kids. Astro I like. Oops. He's from Astro, right? Okay, we're in the cable car. It's huge. There you go. Wow, you're joining us on our trip. Hey, housemate, neighbor, hi. Yaya, say hi. Yan, Nana Carmen. On this trip, dito lang kami. Casey couldn't come, so it's just me, the 3 babies, Dada,
Bobsy, can you switch places because you're smaller?
my Yaya.
Please.
Dami ng tao. Oh no.
First one, right?
Wrong daughter. And you are my angel.
And
To the world, we are. To the world, we are.
ganda.
To the world, we are. NCT. You're embarrassed? How dare you?
Oh no.
I have to show you. ayan, ganyang kataas. Para na rin kayong nag-tour. Ayan, no? Oh, dyan kami galing. Sa building na yan sa baba. Ayan ang kable. Wow, Googs, you're so brave.
I'm not looking.
You're not looking? That's sad. Everything nice is outside. Look.
I'm here.
Gotta look, honey. Bumili pa kami ng mga padlock para masabi.
I'm scared of heights.
Nah, you're not. You love the plane.
Yeah, because the windows are closed.
No, you watch us take off and land. We got the nice side. Yeah, facing the city. Can you guys see? Tama bang angulo ko? There's Seoul. I love you, Seoul. What? Now? They were here. They came up for Hot and Young, NCT Hot and Young. Who? Johnny? Lucas, diba?
My hands are sweaty because I'm nervous.
No, look at that one going down. Ayan, yung bumababa. Yung cable car. Ganyan yung sinasakyan namin. Kung gaano katahimik ang mga Hapon kahit sa loob ng subway, gano'ng kaingay pag dito. Masaya lang sila. Kaya nakikisabay kami. Kala ko tinawag akong botsak. Kakarating ko to si mamang to. Hindi na ako botsak.
우리 집까지 보여? 우리 집 어딨어?
Sensitive.
우리 집 보여?
There, we're almost there, Googs. It's flattening out.
우리 집
There you
보여?
go.
Yeah, are you looking?
There, yeah, he is. He's a brave boy, my son.
원래 서울 야경이 멋있는 것입니다. 올라와서 보면.
In the daytime, this must be nice too.
우리 집까지 보인다.
Kaninang lamig-lamig sa baba. Ngayon naman, gusto ko maghubad dahil mainit. Pulmon niya ang katapat nito.
My hands are getting sweaty.
I know, honey.
I'm nervous.
Uy, how romantic. Wow. Inilawan kami ni neighbor. Okay. Okay, Dad. Wala mapakita. I'm using my new bag, which represents a lot of my personal symbols. Here. Ay, wait. Papakita ng bag na hulog. Oh, wow. Thank you for the breeze. Ay, ayan, malamig na uli. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, my Lord. Look at that. Wala na kami sa glass. Hey there, girl. You gotta change the size of your coat. Mine too. We're terno eh. Black ako, siya si beige. Kasi si ate Tina red din.
The locks and stuff. So we need a fish.
Miguel.
Ito yung meaning mo, Gigi. GGV. I mean, Villadolid. Oo nga, marami pang aakyatin. You're correct there. Tama ka doon. Pipila ulit. Bibili na naman.
That's going
What? Okay. Pababayan, Yayi. Astig tong yaya ko sa Shal. Nauna pa sa akin dito yan eh. The last time. Ayan, bumababa na. Magsusundo na naman. Yan na Yayi yung exit.
Pauwi po, babalik ko dito tayo.
Ticket. Ito. Ano to? Saan sila pupunta?
Pababa na yun. Babalik na.
Why there's pila again? For the cable car. Tayo pwede mag-stairs. So, stairs natin to. Costume na ako, Darna. Angkas lang kayo, angkas. Pinahinga ko na si Ding. Mapapatay kita, Kiko. Tignan nyo naman. Alam mo. Yaya. Two yayas, please carry me. I'll give you money. Joke only. No, Yaya, it's okay. I'm okay. Because of Doc Charlie, my tuhod is okay and my back. Alam mo, napakahirap lang talaga, parang buntis ka, pero sa likod, mababa ng konti. Bigat talaga yan. Wala, fetus pa lang ako, nandyan na sila. Wow, dyan nilalagay yung padlock sa taas. Can you see? The very top. Yan yung ginaya nila yung bridge sa Paris. Yung mga romantiko. Kakainis naman. Wala si Gong Yu. Nako. May smile pa to si neighbor. Sabi ko, so you're my neighbor. We're friends. Yung iba friends with benefits. Kami friends with children. Wow, look how cute. There the padlocks on top. Wow, that's a lot, honey. Yeah, I'm just pacing because my heart rate might go up again. The last time my heart rate, never mind. Oh wow, this makes me happy, but a bit poignant. There. Where are your keys? Kiko and Sharon. Housemates. You sab it and then just keep a key. Diyos ko pa, para ako nag-action scene with Robin. Look! Look how precious. I'll show you. Lalagay nila message, pangalan. Ayan, si Meg dyan. You can go here, honey. O, sabagay, para kita. Oh, honey. Good job, son. And he wrote Mig. Kasi hindi ko masya. Mig. Look at that. Lahat ng padlocks. Mga mag-boyfriend. Ang dami siguro dyan. Bakit nung may boyfriend ako, hindi ko na-experience to? Ayan yung two boys. I'll say bye first so I can take pictures of everybody, okay? I love you guys. See you. Hapo. Thank you. Ganda ni Frankie. Ganda niya, no? Iba yung face niya. Thank you po. Thank you. Hi! Ay, we're back. Ang dami kong na-meet na mga Pinoy kababayan natin. Say hi! Mga Pinoy. Live tayo sa IG ko. Nakapag-picture taking na kami. Ngayon ko lang sila na-meet. Love you too. Thank you. Ang dami-dami ko nami-meet na Pinoy dito. Parang kagabi sa market ako. Sus, kadamo. Damo, gyud. Parang kami na nag-take over ng... So, there's the tower. Can you see? Yes, I am here. I am so here. Hold on. How do I take a picture? Oh, no. I'll come back. Kung kailan naman kami dumalaw. Umambon. Ito na naman yung little Black Riding Hood ko. Oh, no. Uh-oh. On the lens? Oh, thank you, honey. There. Oh, no. Frankie, you have a hood? Put your scarf over your head, please. It's okay. No. Not the time to be fashionista. Come on. No, you dress so well. Wow, Grace Kelly. Is that you, Audrey? So pretty. Where's my neighbor?
Neighbor, he's putting Googie's locks.
He already did. They're probably looking for us. Yai, did you sabit na?
Ayaw mag-lock.
Ha? Teka, may isa pa yata ako. Pwede yan. Wait. Wawa naman Yaya. I wrote pa your name. Hello?
Hanapin ko na lang din.
Yeah. Here. You look in my bag. May isa po pero... Ayan. Na okay na? Okay. Okay, I said I'd show you my bag. Here. Do they see? You see? Oh no, there. You see, this is the planet Saturn, which is the ruling planet of my birth sign, Capricorn.
You look like a...
And I also am of the year of the snake. So it's right there. There. And then, I think this means, what is it? What do you think? Time to love or something, whatever. And, of course, the tiger. Roar. Where's the tiger? There.
You can flip the camera.
There you go. I bought that, I think, in Canada. The only thing I bought during the whole tour. Honey, my cold is... My sipon... No, honey. I'd rather be, than get sick. Excuse me. Yeah. Sorry, my sipon is coming out. Yes, and tissue. Do you know where Daddy is? Where's your father? I am your father. Dun, 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 dun. Dati yan ang ringtone ko pagka si Kikoy nagte-text. Si Darth Vader. Tawa sila ng tawa. Ito naman mga to, walang pa kayo kahit magkasakit. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Kahit crying scene, nauunang sipon. Yuck. Anyway, I'm so excited for Quaresma. I can't tell you. I worked so hard on this movie. Tapos, imbis na kumain, gusto ko matulog. Tapos dumating sa point, hindi na rin ako makatulog. So, di na makakain, di pa makatulog. Ang nangyari, no kidding nagkatagyawat ako dito sa ilong. The other day, nandito yan nawala. Lumipat dito. Nawala na rin ba? Tapos meron ako sa, where are you? Sa Pisngi. Here ba? Yan ba? O yan, big deal na sa akin yan. Kasi hindi uso sa amin yun. Thanks, Mom. Once again. Medyo pa. Hi, Kuya Alan. Ha?
Star Magic po kami.
Alam mo, because of Choki yun. Hi, we're back. Sorry. Because of Choki. Hi. Do you know, we were, I was in Vegas. When he died, I was in Vegas.
Yeah.
Where did I go after Vegas? Talaga? From there, nag-LA ba ako? Or Canada na? Basta natulog ako. Tapos yung yaya ko pag ginising ako, ganyan lang ganyan. Tapos, gising na ako, hindi lang ako dumigilan. So, gumalaw lang ako. Tapos nilakasan yung konti. Sabi ko, gugulatin ko sana na awake na ako. Tapos walang tao. Sabi ko, Choki. Oo. Hindi kayo picture tayo. It's still umaambon.
A little bit lang.
Yeah. Sorry po, tumawag si Daddy.
Kuya Jed says.
Jed Madala? Oh my God, the alien singer. Oh, that is the ideal singer. Hi, Jeddy, I miss you. That's the ideal singer because he can do a trio by himself at the same time. Grabe kumantin si Jed. I miss you, Jed.
Ayan, dito na ako.
Jobless ka rin. Nagka-picture lang kami ng mga friends ni Choki noon sa Star Magic.
Thank you po.
Ang galing, yung mga... Siga dito ba siya?
Okay.
Kamsahamnida.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Mga friends ni Choki.
Thank you.
Parang kasama ko lang kayo. Thank you so much. Ingat. Meron pa, love? Parang
Konti pa.
meron pa, Yayi. Ang cute mo naman.
Oh, mega tita says keep.
Para ka magsuscuba dancing. Dancing tuloy. Scuba diving. Yayi, tissue please. My sipon is coming out. Sorry. Anyway,
We were here
marami
last
pong
year.
pinaghahandaan, Sharonians.
We were here last year. I tried to find my lock from last year, but I couldn't.
Grabe tong taon na to. Lalo pag natuloy, no? yung yung dalawa. Pero, excuse me, I'll just blow my nose. Here, really. Hindi, tumawag na si Sir Nana. Sabi ko, nandito tayo. So,
Hello. Hi po.
pasap niya, diba?
Alam ko kasama ni
Oo, hindi na may iwanan ni Sir yun, naglalak.
ko siya nakita ko, takkat ni kasama.
Sila yun.
Yes, NCT.
Iiwanan ako ni Miguel, daddy niya hindi.
Yun po ang aking paboritong K-pop group.
Who's your favorite in NCT?
Jaemin.
Oh,
Jaemin.
yeah, Jaemin. But you also like Haechan.
Yeah, pero he's from...
Okay.
I have a list.
Okay.
So it's Jaemin.
So mine moved from Lucas. It became Taeyong, then Lucas. Then Jaehyun. Let's name. NCT 127, how many are they? 10? Okay.
Sorry, one.
Dad!
Hold it down. Sorry.
Talaga itong si Kiko. So, we just went up the stairs. Abi, umakyat doon na akyat kay Mother Mary. Dito lang kami kung saan siya nagsasabit ng... Gusto yata makakita ng mga santo. Gusto na mauna kay San Pedro.
Here, hold it.
Sabi ko po, si Kiko talaga. Kaya nga neighbor ko na lang.
My partner po si Mommy tonight. Sa
Yeah, si
Live
Miel.
Adventures.
Thank you naman. Pag busy ako, pwede ka namang manday. Ay, you know what? It's confirmed. Ang kaboses ko ay si Miel. Kasi kinanta niya yung Mr. DJ, sabi ko.
Oh, I sing...
Parang-
No, when I sing High School Life, all of my classmates are in High
Yes,
School
nakakakilabot.
Life, High School Life, every memory, kay ganda.
So, wait, I have to show them. Dito po kami. Dito kami umakyat. Dyan. Si Kiko po, doon. Papunta sa kalangitan. Paakatin yung tore.
That's where we were.
Ayan. Where? In the tower?
Beside the tower.
27 steps na lang.
Mama,
Mauna kayo. Sige, matutulog muna ako.
Mama,
Let's go na, we'll have dinner na.
Yeah, let's.
Mama,
Yeah, we don't have a picture together.
Oo nga
Okay.
pala.
Mama.
So, I'll see you guys later. Okay, and I love you. Thank you for joining our adventure. Love you guys. God bless.
Sana doon.